Make up to $1,500 extra per month making slime. In this video, I will be showing you how to make up to $1,500 extra per month by making slime at little cost to you. Slime is totally trending right now, and there is a ton of money to be made in this industry. You can make up to $1,500 extra per month for free with these strategies. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos are posted. Do it! So, what would an extra $1,500 per month do for you? Would you be able to afford a better house, or an apartment? Maybe a new car? Maybe you would want to take a vacation. How about buying a life-sized slime statue? Stay tuned for upcoming steps on how to make up to an extra $1,500 per month by making slime in 6 easy steps. Step 1. Gather the supplies you will need to make slime. Slime comes in many consistencies and textures, with various objects scattered throughout. But for now, let's keep things basic until you get the hang of things. For one batch of slime, you will need 1 cup of white glue, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, food coloring, lens cleaner or contact lens cleaner, confetti, glitter, and a plastic bag or a glass jar. You will also need boxes or envelopes to send your slime in once you have a paying client. Step 2. Create a business name and a business email. Create a business name for your slime making business. The name can be whatever you want it to be, but try to make the name unique and eye-catching to potential customers. If you can think of a name that is slime-related, that would be beneficial to your brand. Visit gmail.com and create a free email using your business name. This is the email you will use to connect your Etsy account with. Step 3. Make an account on Etsy using the email and business name you created. Etsy is a great mobile app for selling homemade products, and the average Etsy seller makes $56,000 per year. That's a lot of extra automatic cash flow. Use your brand name to sell your slime and set up your Etsy store. We won't get into the process of explaining how to set up an Etsy store, as it is pretty intuitive. But there are plenty of tutorial videos on how to set up an Etsy store on YouTube if you need some help. Step 4. Make the slime. Making the slime is super easy. Follow these instructions and you will be all set. First, squeeze 8 drops of food coloring into a bowl. The food coloring you pick will be the color your slime will be. Add 1 cup of glue and 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the bowl of your food coloring. Mix all of the ingredients until there are no white streaks left. Next, add 1 tablespoon of lens cleaner or contact lens cleaner into the bowl. Now you can stir the mixture with a spoon until it starts to thicken. After the mixture thickens, your slime is complete. Package it in plastic baggies or glass jars and store it in an air-conditioned space. Step 5. Take pictures of the slime. This part is very important, as this is what your customers will see before they buy your slime, and will help them determine if you are selling a quality product. Be creative with the pictures, and be sure to photograph your slime in different settings and with different lighting. Pro tip: taking a picture of the slime under a bright light will make the slime appear shinier and more appealing to the potential customer. Random fact: let's take a short break to rest your mind and provide you with a completely useless random fact. Did you know Slinkies are 82 feet long? When stretched out completely from end to end, Slinkies can reach up to 82 feet long. That's around as long as 14 average-sized people, or twice as long as the famous Hollywood sign. Comment down below if you learned something new today. Okay, now back to the slime. Step 7. Post your slime content to Etsy and watch the cash flow in. When posting your product, it is important to remember to be as descriptive as possible in the description and title. Include the color of the slime as a part of the description and title, as well as what texture it has. These words are descriptive and are more appealing to potential customers. giving you a higher likelihood of making a sale. In addition to being descriptive, make sure you upload at least 4 images of each listing you make. This will rank your posting higher in Etsy's algorithm. Once someone purchases your slime, send it off to them, and be sure to include a tracking number. This will prevent your customers from constantly asking you where their slime is. Step 8. Continue to make different types of slime and post them to Etsy. You want to have around 15 different listings. This will ensure that potential customers who visit your Etsy store will have many options to choose from. Be creative with the different types of slime that you make. Choose different colors and add different things into your slime. Many people enjoy putting beads in slime as it gives it an ASMR sound and a satisfying feel. Play around with your ideas and have fun. Bonus tip: if you're having trouble with your Etsy store taking off and want a boost, try Etsy ads. Etsy ads are relatively inexpensive and can drive thousands to your store. Some of the top Etsy sellers use this strategy, and the results are usually phenomenal. In addition, you can create an Instagram and TikTok for your slime business, and post a link in your Insta and TikTok bio to your Etsy shop. Make sure to post videos and pictures of your slime regularly, and you are bound to gain traction quickly. All it takes is one viral TikTok video to make thousands in your Etsy store. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you aren't already, or if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. I hope you enjoyed the video on how you can make up to $1,500 per month from home making slime.